What's up everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to see how to create an AI avatar of yourself using AI. We're going to see a WeClone tool, which is a tool that creates a digital version of you like an AI avatar from your photos or video. You can use it for social media content, profile pictures, or short videos. Firstly, open your browser, then visit WeClone website. Create an account. And now upload a clear selfie. Front-facing works best. Some versions may allow short video clips, use good lighting, no heavy filters and multiple angles if requested. The AI uses this data to learn your face. Now, wait while WeClone processes your data. It builds a digital model of your face. This can take a few minutes to a few hours depending on the tool version. You can often pick styles like realistic portraits, cinematic look, cartoon or stylized, and even social media profile version. When you're done, click Generate. The AI creates images or animations for you. You can regenerate for different results. And when it's done, save your favorite avatar. Use it for profile pictures, TikTok or Instagram content, YouTube branding, or even AI videos. And that's it guys, WeClone is a simple and powerful AI avatar tool that lets you create a digital version of yourself in minutes. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.